In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Steam on your PC. Steam is a popular digital game platform from Valve. It allows you to buy, download, and play a vast array of PC games. This platform supports Windows 10 and Windows 11, but only the 64-bit versions. So, let's dive right into the steps. First, open a web browser on your PC. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. You will see your homepage or a blank search bar. This step is crucial because you need a web browser to access the Steam website. A reliable internet connection is also necessary to download the software. Once your browser is open, you're ready for the next step. Next, go to the Steam website. You can do this by typing in the address steam.com in the address bar and hitting enter. The website will load, presenting you with various options related to Steam. This is important because you need to download the official version of Steam to ensure your system's security and get the best experience. You will see a clean interface with information about games and features, which can be quite exciting. Once the Steam website is open, look for the button that says Install Steam. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. When you do this, you will be taken to a page that provides details about the Steam installation process. This little step is essential because it leads you directly to the download process. You want to ensure you are getting the correct software for your PC. Now click Install Steam again to download the installer. This action will begin the download of a file named steamsetup.exe. You'll notice a progress bar or a download notification indicating that the file is being downloaded. This step is significant because it prepares your system to install the Steam software. The download should not take long, depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, locate the steamsetup.exe file in your Downloads folder or the bottom of your browser window. Double-click the file to open it. This action will initiate the installation process. You might see a security prompt asking for permission to run the installer. This is standard and ensures that you are aware of what is being installed on your system. Once the installer is open, follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam. This usually involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and choosing an installation location. Pay attention to each step as it ensures that Steam is set up correctly on your PC. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. You will see a confirmation once the installation is complete. With Steam installed, the next step is to launch Steam. Locate the Steam icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Double-click the icon to open the application. You may see a loading screen as Steam initializes. This is a good sign, as it indicates that the software is starting up properly. At this point, you will need to sign in with your existing Steam account. If you do not have an account, you can click Create a free account to make a new one. This is essential because having an account will allow you to access your games and the store. The account creation process is straightforward and requires basic information. Once you are signed in, browse the store, purchase or install free games, and start playing. The Steam store is filled with thousands of games, and many are free to play. This is where you can explore and find games that interest you. The entire process you just completed opens up a world of gaming possibilities on your PC. Enjoy your gaming experience with Steam.